Do you want to race an RC car? Let's go to MHOR RC and play. We'd love to see your smiling face. Come on through the door, we'll let you stay all day. You used to beat your buddies, and now you can't. You make some excuses, why? Do you want to race an RC car? It doesn't have to be an off-road car.
Go away, Chad!
Okay, bye. Do you want to race an RC car or crawl slowly through the pit? I think some practice is overdue. I've started crashing a lot and flipping on my lid.
Hang in there, Charlie.
It gets a little lonely on the track alone, just watching the laps tick by.
The race is over.
Bobby Bender took me out. I wrecked on the last lap.
My switch broke.
My pinion was loose.
Sid was in my race.
Sid, please, I know you need practice. People have seen you drive your car. They say you'll get better, and you're trying to. We are right here for you. Just come on in. We can practice with each other, just you and me. What are you gonna do? Do you want to go to MHOR RC?